In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team space in Notion. A team space is a dedicated area where your group can keep pages, docs, and projects organized with the right people and the right permissions. By the end, you'll have a clean space set up for your team and know exactly where to go to manage it. First, open your browser and head to notion.com. On the homepage, click Login. You can sign in a few different ways, but here we'll use the Google option for speed. Click Google, then select your Google account to continue. After you're in, Notion will open your most recent or default workspace. Next, look toward the top left of Notion to find your current workspace name. Click the small drop-down arrow next to it to open workspace options. From there, choose Settings. This opens the settings panel where you manage everything from members to billing, but we're going straight to the admin area. In the left sidebar of the settings panel, navigate to the admin section. If you don't see it, you may need admin permissions or to switch to the correct workspace. Inside admin, click Teamspaces. This is the hub for creating and managing all your team spaces. To create a new one, click New Team Space. A setup window will appear asking for a name. Type in your team space name. Make it clear and specific so teammates instantly know its purpose. Good examples include Marketing Hub, Product Design, or Client Success. Consistent naming makes everything easier to find later. Once you've named it, click Create Team Space. Notion will spin up the new area and place it in your sidebar, usually under the Team Spaces section. You can now add pages, templates, and structure right inside this space without cluttering the rest of your workspace. Right after creation, Notion may prompt you to invite people. Click Invite People To if you're ready to add teammates. You can search by name or email and choose permissions like full access or view only, depending on how you want the team to collaborate. If you're not ready to invite anyone yet, or you still want to fine-tune the structure first, simply click Skip for now. You can always return to the team space later, open the Share or Members options, and add people when the time is right. That's it. Your team space is live and ready. You'll find it in the sidebar, where you can reorganize it, adjust permissions, and build out pages. This simple flow keeps your work centralized and your team aligned.